Hey guys, welcome to KAFTAN in the kitchen. I'm letting Parker in on this one. We're gonna do it behind the recipe, so welcome to YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is our new series, KAFTAN in the kitchen, and we made a spatchcock Cornish hen chicken on our grill outside with our Gilbert/Hudson sprayer full of marinade Schoen, which was a combination of apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, water, and some salt. And then we also had some grilled nectarines that we put on there, a white nectarine and a yellow nectarine, and some heirloom tomatoes I cut up, and a little bit of bib lettuce, and I also grilled some lemons. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze this grilled lemon over everything. Oh my God. Okay, let's taste Parks. I can't wait anymore.
Okay. You go first.
I'm gonna taste a piece of chicken. I also, over the top, added a little bit of balsamic syrup.
I'm doing the same. Wow. That's really good.
It's so juicy and so tender. And it's got really good flavor from the marination. You know, what's good about the Hudson sprayer, you know, it's a little bit messy, but you know, you just keep layering. You know how I always talk about, I beat it like a dead horse, like layering flavors, but the Hudson sprayer allows you to layer flavors while it's cooking, just over and over again, and it helps crisp it up and it helps caramelize everything, so it's just incredible on food.
Delicious.
Did you taste the nectarine?
No, I'd love to.
Try that.
You take the whole thing in one bite, or you bite it?
I'm gonna bite it in two.
Dessert.
Well, here's the thing. It pairs so well, you know, with fish or chicken or meat, any kind of these grilled stone fruits. But also, grill them, put some vanilla ice cream on there, and even some balsamic syrup. That is just a killer dessert. Seriously. What?
It's so decadent.
So simple, you know? Taste the tomato?
Oh, no.
Here.
Thank you. I wish everyone was here.
I know. Well,
Well done.
thanks. Okay, guys, thanks for joining us. I hope you like this new series, KAFTAN in the Kitchen. We're having super fun with it. And you know what? In California, you can kind of wear kaftans all year round. I don't know about where you live, but easy breezy. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Peace out.